What is Gut Vita? Gut Vita is a cutting-edge formula for gut support created to aid healthy digestion, improve nutrient absorption, and encourage regular bowel movements. The creator of this dietary supplement, Frank Adams, claims to have collaborated with medical researchers to assemble ingredients that eliminate the primary cause of most digestive disorders after years of persistent constipation nearly claimed his life. It turns out that one element is destroying our cells and leaving them only partially alive. This interferes with the body's ability to absorb nutrients needed for healthy organ function as well as homeostasis. Gut Vita's capacity to eliminate this harmful substance from the body is anticipated to support a healthy heart, stomach, and digestive system. Most importantly, people should regain their energy levels, which unquestionably impacts mood and the ability to complete daily tasks. To fully comprehend the role of Gut Vita, we must delve deeper into its mechanism. How does Gut Vita work? As previously mentioned, Gut Vita was created to address the underlying causes of most digestive issues. The creators disclosed that their plan focuses on toxin buildup in the colon brought on by the parasite called amoeba. The body's ability to maintain balance in terms of water and mineral content, core temperature, cell function, and blood chemicals could all be upset by this toxicity. The obvious result is a host of health issues, one of which Gut Vita seems to have been designed to resolve. Remaining on the subject of parasitic infection, one source claims that amoeba can kill human cells by biting off portions of intestinal cells. It has been established that this parasite damages the gut and causes colon inflammation. The researchers at the time stated how, targeting molecules unique to the parasite, we have a better chance of therapies that combat the amoeba without affecting humans, but this has yet to be put into practice. It's interesting to note that the incomplete eating of cells, specifically at the lining of the gut, is believed to lead to food that would normally slide through easily to become stuck and rot away, according to the creators. The lack of said nutrients inevitably results in undesirable buildups, which in turn prevents the body from properly functioning. Frequently asked questions, FAQ. Is Gut Vita safe? In order to make Gut Vita a potentially safe supplement, Frank promises to have chosen scientifically approved ingredients at clinical doses. Furthermore, the creator claims that the manufacturing procedures adhere to USA standards, which are also listed as a safety parameter by most supplement providers. It is crucial to remember that while a supplement may appear to be safe to take based on its label, it really depends on each person. Therefore, before taking Gut Vita, people may want to speak with their doctors about it. Does Gut Vita contain any common allergens? Yes, black walnuts are considered tree nuts, therefore, people with this specific nut allergy should refrain from taking Gut Vita. What is the best way to take Gut Vita? The recommended dosage is 2 Gut Vita capsules per day with water or juice. Each serving should ideally be consumed first thing in the morning to increase metabolism and provide a healthy source of energy for the rest of the day. Will taking Gut Vita with other prescriptions cause any interactions? Even though Gut Vita is an entirely natural dietary supplement, interactions with other drugs are still possible. People should first speak with their personal doctors to be safe. What are the possible benefits of taking Gut Vita? Gut Vita may help to support and detoxify the digestive system, alleviate constipation symptoms, fight hemorrhoids, gut parasites, heartburn, and acid reflux, and ensure a healthy energy source. Men and women of any age between the range of 40 and 70 can achieve these benefits. Frank also mentioned that consistency for a maximum of 6 months yields the best results. In line with the analysis above, Gut Vita was developed with the goal of ridding the body of an amoebic parasite. In addition to inflaming the gut, its presence prevents the body from absorbing the nutrients it needs. The worst part is that harmful toxins and partially digested food begin to accumulate. Together, these problems manifest as numerous well-known digestive problems. This is exactly what the founder, Frank Adams, claims to have experienced, and the ingredients behind Gut Vita are what allowed him to improve digestion and gut functions.